I come across a lot of people who really want to improve their English and specifically their speaking skills. When people are speaking, they can understand English, but when they have to speak in English, their confidence level goes down and they are really not able to speak fluently. Hi there, you are watching Enriching Lives, and today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy technique on how can you practice speaking English. If you have not seen the spoken English playlist, do watch out as the link is given in the description below. You will find a lot of videos that will help you to improve your English. So without further ado, let's get started. We all know this fact that in order to improve your English, you not only need to consume English in the form of reading, listening and watching content, rather you also need to speak in English in order to improve it. Because unless and until you practice it yourself, you will not be able to come to know where are you actually committing mistakes, where you are good, where you are at fault. So you really need to practice a lot. For example, let's say you want to learn swimming. Now you come to know about the lot of techniques that are related on how to swim. You learn about the hand and the leg movement and how do you jump and what are the different techniques to swim in water. In a similar way, you learn a lot about grammar rules, punctuation, how to pronounce, what are the kind of tenses, what are the voices, etc. But unless and until you dive in water, you cannot learn how to swim. Similarly, unless and until you start speaking, you cannot improve your English. Now, I'm not saying that you straight away go and speak in front of public. I know for a fact that you will be really scared of doing so. So that's why you need to practice at home so that you gain a lot of confidence once you go out in the public and start speaking. So today's technique is known as the rainbow method. What you can do is, if you have friends, you can do this activity as a game, play with your friends, or if you don't have anybody to practice with, you can practice by yourself. So you can practice alone also. As many of you always complain that, ma'am, there is nobody with whom I can practice speaking English. So this technique can be very well performed by you alone. So if you do not have any companion to practice English, you can still go ahead with this technique. So you can play it with one of your friends, or if you are a group of people, still you can play this game. So the game goes like, as I told you, the name is the rainbow technique or the rainbow method. So the first statement you will say is, a rainbow has 7 colors. Now what your friend needs to do, he needs to pick any word from this sentence and frame a new sentence. So the sentence that he constructs should have at least a word from the sentence that you have spoken right now. For example, let's say Jack and Jill are playing. So Jack would say, the rainbow has 7 colors. Jill would say, my lucky number is 7. Jack would say, the name of my dog is Lucky. Jill would say, I really love dogs. Jack would say, dogs are very faithful and loyal. Jill would say, we should always be loyal in our relationships to improve the quality of our life. Jack would say, the quality of this chair is very good. Jill would say, the color of this chair is blue. Jack would say, I am wearing blue shoes. Jill would say, we should always keep our shoes clean. Jack would say, her house is very clean. Jill would say, he has a beautiful house. Jack would say, your eyes are really beautiful. Jill would say, eyes are very important organ of our body. Jill would say, a body is made up of 206 bones. Jack would say, bones cannot be broken easily. Jill would say, this glass is already broken. Jack would say, can I have a glass of water please? Jill would say, water is transparent. Jack would say, water is tasteless. Jill would say, I never like tasteless food. Jack would say, we should eat healthy food. Jill would say, when did you eat your dinner? Jack would say, dinner should not be eaten late. Jill would say she was getting late for her school. Jack would say, during these COVID times, the schools are shut down. Jill would say, COVID times have made us learn a lot of lessons. Jack would say, the lessons that we learned during our entire life are worth remembering. So did you get an idea how can you play this game? So while playing this game, you are just formulating simple sentences with the help of a word from the previous sentence. Now you can play it in a group of 3, 4, 5 or 6 or in any number. In case there is nobody to play this game with you, what you can do is take a piece of paper and a pen and you can play this game with yourself also. You construct the first sentence, a rainbow has 7 colors, and then whatever comes in your mind, keep on writing those sentences. In this way, you will be able to formulate simple sentences in English, and also this will improve your writing skills as well. So now what are you actually doing? You are thinking in English, you are writing in English, and you are saying that particular sentence in your mind in English. So now you are speaking in English, writing in English and thinking in English. It is very important to understand that unless and until we practice speaking English and we make it a part of our daily routine, we are not going to improve our speaking skills. I hope you found this activity interesting and helpful. If you really liked it, do smash the like button as it motivates me to make more of such videos. You can also check out playlist on soft skills, personality enhancement and other self-improvement topics on the description below. Do tell me in the comment section how did you find the activity. I'll see you soon with yet another video. Till then, you take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.